This call is now being recorded.
Problem with my mobile or maybe network, I don't.
Sir, even your board is not clear.
Yes, yes. Okay. Now forget about the board. Now you can tell me. Ellipse how you will have actually what on x-axis from where to where it will run? Tell me. Ellipse already you studied it. What is the major axis?
A, 0 and minus A, 0.
So it's running from where to where?
A to minus A.
That is minus A to plus A.
Yes.
Minor
Yes.
axis?
Minus
Sir?
B to plus B.
Minor axis. Major axis means 2A. Length of major axis 2A. Length of minor axis is what?
2B.
2B. You studied or not? These all are things in
Yes,
ellipse.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Coordinate
Yes, sir.
geometry.
Suppose now I am taking a solid ellipsoid, that is, I want to inscribe one solid rectangular solid. So I am keeping the boxes inside the egg actually, small box, small box, small box, small box, small box. Where I will get the largest volume should be is a rectangular or solid I am telling. So can you say how can you expect this? Edges actually rectangular solid box means volume. Can you say actually now which is the condition? Tell me. Sorry, these all you can forget about. Now which is the condition? Which is the function? Now you can tell me. That's first I want actually. Who is the function? Who is the condition?
The function is rectangle.
Oh, what is the maximum is asking? What he needs?
So function is the ellipse, sir.
Hey, no.
So we
Read
are inscribing the solid rectangle in an ellipse, no, sir. So that
ellipse
becomes
is
the
fixed.
function, no, sir.
Ellipse is fixed actually. Ellipse we are not changing. We are
So,
going
sir,
on changing.
Ellipse is the constant.
Now what is the maximum value or minimum value? What is that maximum I want now? Tell me. Read the problem again.
So maximum we can get is 4 coordinates on the ellipse. 4 set of coordinates.
That you can leave, sir. Question you can, what I am asking, try to understand. What is the maximum value? What I want to find out now in that rectangular solid? Lateral surface area or volume? What you want?
Volume.
Maximum volume.
That's what I want to expect from you. So my volume should be what? Maximum. So now who is the function here?
Rectangle.
Rectangular solid.
So
The volume of the rectangle.
find out the maximum value of the rectangular. So this fellow F. Clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
The given condition is what? X square by A square plus Y square by B square plus Z square by C square is equal to 1. Clear. Now, volume of the rectangular solid is what? Tell me. You have to frame the equation yourself, everything, nothing is the given.
A into B into C.
Now, we actually, in terms of X, Y, Z, you can tell because customarily we are doing dou U by dou X, dou U by dou V, dou U by dou Z like this, you know.
So X into
What?
Y into Z.
What?
X into Y into Z.
Normally, if you take X and Y into Z, we are allowed. But here, how you will take sides? Here, how you will take sides? Can you take X, Y, Z because it's inscribed in ellipse? Think logically. My ellipse center, where is my center or origin, where it lies? In corner or in between?
So if it is a normal ellipse, sir, then it should be at the origin.
None, any origin, any ellipse only center at center only in middle only the origin will stays. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Whatever may be, suppose if it is a tilt also means what? This fellow become major axis, this fellow become minor axis. maybe B is greater than A. Normally A is greater than B. We in our small stage we studied it. Clear or not? It doesn't matter. Till like this, lot of things are there. But where is my origin? That is my question.
The center.
Center means my solid where it will be centered somewhere it will be allowed actually. From here x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. Now my side is what? Tell me. What is the length of my side? In center I am taking origin. Suppose if previously you are telling side is xyz. Now what is the side?
ABC.
ABC.
No, ABC. XYZ only can treat actually sides actually. Because variables, ABC means constants will come actually.
X0, 0, 0, Y, 0, 0, 0, Z.
You are not understanding. In box is like this, in between my center is there. So from here minus x side, here plus x side. So total length is what?
2x. 2x.
2x, sir.
See, this is a box actually. If I take this is the origin, from here to plus x, from here to minus x. Clear? So length of this
Yes, sir.
total length is what?
From minus x to x.
Length cannot be minus
2x.
x.
2x.
Then height if you take means what? Here plus y, here
2y.
Minus
2y.
y. So 2y.
Y.
Here center somewhere actually. So x minus x like this plus minus. Z means what? In between actually, not on the top, in between some square center. Again, if I tell Z means total.
Yes, sir.
Okay, understand or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, volume we can take carefully. This problem, life of the problem is what? 2x, 2y, 2z. If you take x, y, z, you will get the answer, no doubt. But you don't know the physics of the problem. You are not seeing properly. Correct or not? You are not understand the concept. Clear?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, come on. Volume is what? Tell me now. V is equal to what?
8xy.
8x, Y, Z.
2x,
2x
2y,
into 2y into 2z.
Just 2x, y, z.
2x, 2y,
8x, Y, Z.
8x. Now, come on. Length. Length is equal to what?
2x.
2x.
Breadth, height. Now, volume is equal to what?
8xyz.
2x into 2y into 2z. 8xy.
This fellow is equal to what? F. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now, come on. Who is the G? So, this, because why I am not taking ABC means what? If I take ABC means what? Fixed. So, X may be variable, Y may be variable. I will put first small box, small box, small box, small box, small box, small box. Such a way you can get maxo rectangular solid. So, I am inserting slowly one by one, one by one, one by one. So, X also changes, Y also changes. Such a way, using this condition, you can fix somewhere my X value is equal to this much, my Y value is equal to this much, my Z value is equal to this much, means my rectangular solid is the largest volume in this ellipse. That is the condition. Clear? Am I confusing a lot?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Very good. Now, who is the G?
x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1.
Can I write -1, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you agree?
So didn't understand the G part, sir.
Ellipsoid is the condition, sir. You are inserting the inside the ellipse. So ellipse it won't change. That is the condition. Always inside the ellipse you can insert the boxes. That is the condition. Largest volume I need. Such a way you can insert the box. That box measurement what is asking. If you insert the boxes, when you will get the largest value, that is the is asking. But at what situation you will get maximum solid? In this particular ellipsoid.
All
You
right.
don't think, suppose I am giving a 72 centimeter cube, means sir, I have outside 80 centimeter cube, this is the largest like this. Inside this ellipse, this is the largest volume. That is the meaning.
Done.
So the board is not clear at all.
So we can't see anything on the board.
Exactly. V, you know 8x by z. F, G, you know x square by s square plus y square plus z square minus 1. Now,
Yes,
the
sir.
answer capital F is equal to small f into lambda g, right? Do yourself homework. Now we can do all of you. Now we can do the values.
The volume is equal to F, right?
Huh?
Volume is equal to F, right?
Volume is 8x by z. That is F.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Auxiliary equation capital F is equal to small f plus lambda g. Right? What you are getting, tell me? You should tell me, don't see the board. Now you are the teacher and student. Tell me. Tell me, yeah. Capital F is equal to what? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
8x
Yes,
y
sir.
z
8x
plus
y z plus
lambda
lambda
square.
into
Come on, shout, shout, shout,
8x
shout.
y z
Ah,
Plus lambda into x
x
square
square by a
plus
square.
sound. But only probably can tell you. Oh, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now come on, tell me. Dou f, capital dou f by dou x is equal to 0 implies small dou f by dou x plus lambda into dou z by dou x is equal to 0. That is implies 2x. Sorry, not 2x. What will you get?
8yz.
Very good. 8yz plus,
Plus 2x by a square.
very good. 2x
By a square.
Right. 2x by a square enough. Huh?
2
Nobody
lambda x by
Hello?
2 lambda.
Ah.
2 lambda, yes, sir.
Now come on. First line you can write. Dou f by dou x is equal to 0 implies small dou f by dou x plus lambda into dou z by dou x is equal to 0 implies 8yz plus 2 lambda x by a square is equal to 0. Similarly, dou f by dou lambda, what will you tell me? But the full story you can write, don't skip actually. Dou f by dou y is equal to 0.
8xy plus 2
Line also-
lambda y by b square.
Now come on. Dou f by dou y is equal to 0 implies small dou f by dou x plus lambda into dou z by dou y is equal to 0. That is implies 8xz plus 2 lambda b y by b square is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
2.
Sir, board is not clear, sir.
Yeah, sir. Yes, it is. You do yourself actually. Dou f by dou y, then dou f by dou z also you can find 8xy plus 2 lambda z by c square is equal to 0. From there you can find lambda value, tell me.
Actually, sir, I'm a bit confused in how to calculate dou f by dou lambda. So can you please explain it again?
Capital F is equal to what you written? Small f plus lambda g. Small f
Yes,
is
sir.
what? 8xyz.
Yes, sir.
Got x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Both together if you write, what you will get? 8xyz plus lambda into x square by a square plus y square by b square.
Then we will just differentiate with respect to lambda.
X. With respect to
Okay.
lambda is obviously you will get the condition. Lambda
Yes, sir.
becomes 1. Remaining fellow is what? x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1 is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
That's
Okay.
one equation.
Okay, sir.
That's
Okay.
the
Thank you.
condition.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Already I told you that I don't want to stress too much in by beginning the problem. Some textbooks that also they will do. Now come on, dou f by dou x is equal to what? Then first equation multiply by x, second equation multiply by y, third equation multiply by z. What you will get? Add these three fellows. Otherwise not required. What you will do? 1 subtract 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3 like this. Then also problem will come. Wait. So many ways we can do. First equation multiply by x means what you will get? 8xyz is equal to minus 2 lambda x square by a square. Second equation multiply means what? 8xyz is equal to minus 2 lambda by y square by b square. If you subtract, what you will get? No, don't subtract, I think so. All you can add. Otherwise, these two, if we equate, means what you will get? Wait. No, don't do. First equation multiply by x, second equation multiply by y, third equation multiply by z. You can add these three. What you are getting? Tell me. First equation multiply by x means what? 8xyz is equal to minus 2 lambda x square by a square. Similarly, 8xyz is equal to minus 2 lambda y by b square, y square by b square. 8xyz is equal to, then you can 3, you can add, what you will get? Tell me. What you got, sir? Are you there or not?
Yes, sir. We are
Sir,
here.
it's
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
confusing, sir.
What is the answer?
Yes, sir.
What is the confusion again? Listen, 8xyz minus, if you take that, if you add, what you will get? 8x. First equation multiply by x, second equation multiply by y, third equation multiply by z. Everywhere 8xyz, 8xyz will get. Then plus 2 lambda by x square by a square plus 2 lambda by y square by b square plus 2 lambda by z square by c square. 3 into 8, how much?
24.
24xyz plus 2 lambda. If you take common, what you will get? Tell me.
Minus x square by a square.
Hey, I'm not taking that side. Okay, if you take that side also, okay, no problem. If you keep one side also, no problem. Okay, tell me.
So we're getting minus x square by a square minus y square by b square
Minus
b
that,
square.
take outside.
X square by a square plus by y square by b square plus z square by c square.
Who is that fellow?
G. No.
Zero.
G.
1,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
0.
1, sir.
Substituted one, job is over.
Yes, sir.
Then lambda is equal to what? 24xyz is equal to minus 2 lambda. Now lambda is equal to what? Lambda is equal to what?
Minus 12 xyz.
Minus 12
xyz.
Keep in one side. Lambda is equal to what you got, sir? Minus.
12 by
Clear,
12.
clear. Any problem?
No, sir.
Now come on. What is actually my first equation? 8yz plus 2 lambda by x by a square is equal to 0. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now take that side. 8yz is equal to minus 2 lambda x by a square. Now substitute lambda value. Tell me what you are getting. 8yz minus 2 into minus 12. How much?
So 24.
Huh?
24.
24 lambda to x y z means what you will get 24 x square yz. Are you agree with me or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. It's correct.
Huh?
Yes, sir. It's correct.
This yz can you cancel?
Yes, sir.
This 8 and 24 3 times will go.
Yes, sir.
Now who is the x? Tell me. X square. A square by 3.
Yes, sir.
Now x is equal to what?
A by
Plus
under root B.
1 but you should not take minus because it's a length. Correct or not?
Yes, sir. The
Now
x is
who
to
is x?
x is equal to a upon under root b.
Very good. What is the LTG problem? Now, similarly, can you expect y value is what?
b by root 3.
Very good. Z value?
C
c
by
by
root a.
root 3.
Z also b by root 3, yeah?
Okay, sir.
C.
He is
C.
telling correct answer. Z is equal to what?
C by root 3.
Alright. From 1, if you get this means what? From 2, 3, what you will get? Tell me. Y is equal to what? Y is equal to what? From 2, I'm skipping actually. B by root 3. From 3, Z is equal to what?
C by root 3.
So, my ellipse, if I able to insert one volume like bags so solid, this much of length only I can insert. I cannot go furtherly. This is the maximum value of sides. Now, volume is what? Tell me. What is the largest volume?
8 abc by 3 by root 3.
8 ABC by 3 by root 3, yeah. Come again.
8 abc upon 3 by root 3.
3 by root 3, yeah. Again, that's what I'm again asking. 3 by root 3, yeah.
3 root 3, sir.
Yes.
3 root 3, sir.
Wrong spelling, sir. So V is equal to what? Not 3 by root 3, 3 root 3. Clear?
Sir,
sir.
explain it once again.
A. X is equal to what? Yeah. Volume is what? 8xyz. Correct? 8 into who is x actually? A by root 3. Y is what? B by root 3.
No, sir, I'm asking the total question.
Root 3. Then root 3 3 times. Root 3 into 3 3. Then root 3 will stand. 8 by 3 root 3.
Sir, I'm asking you to explain the whole question.
Whole question, ah? Ah.
Yes, sir.
Yes. From where you want to start? Tell me. You got the problem or not? Question okay, yeah?
Yes, sir.
From there, volume is equal to 8xyz I taken. G is equal to x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square minus 1. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Actually, sir, it's a bit confusing after you add, after you multiply equation
Yes,
1
sir.
with x and then y.
So up to differentiation clear.
Yes, up to differentiation clear, sir.
Okay. After differentiation, first equation, tell me all of you what is first equation?
Sir,
So 8yz
8yz
plus
8
plus
y z
2
plus
lambda x.
lambda into 2x by square.
The board is very blurred, sir.
Question is what?
sir 8yz plus 2 lambda x by a square.
8yz plus
2 lambda x
2 lambda.
a square.
is equal to 0.
This is the first equation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Multiply by x.
8xyz plus 2 lambda x square by a square.
8
xyz plus 2 lambda x square by a square.
Okay, this is equation D. A. Similarly, second equation is what? Tell me.
8xz plus 2y lambda by b square equals
Multiply by y. Multiply by y, that fellow.
Yes, sir.
8xyz plus
8xyz
lambda y
plus
square
2 lambda y square by
Y
b
square
square.
by
by
a
a
square.
What is third equation?
8xyz
8xyz plus 2 lambda.
Hey, third equation, what I am asking, not I am not seeing. What is third equation?
8xy plus 2 lambda z by c square.
2 lambda.
z square.
Acha, whatever. G or Z, okay. No. B or Z by C square. Now multiply by Z, third equation.
8xyz plus 2 lambda z square by c square.
Wait, I'm coming. 8
xyz
add these three fellows. What you are getting? Tell me. 8xyz plus 8xyz plus 8xyz plus how much?
3 times.
24
24
xyz
xyz
plus 2 lambda is taken common.
Plus, can I
2
take
lambda.
2 lambda common? Otherwise, first you can write 2 lambda x square by a square plus 2 lambda y square by b square plus 2 lambda z square by b square.
Yes.
Or x square by b square. All are sleeping. S square by c square. Come on.
So 2 lambda x square plus a square.
Can I write or not? First you can confirm. Otherwise, single term I will write. I will go on next step. Can I write 2 lambda into x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square? All of you agree or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Somebody asked doubt like, so are you okay? Madam,
Yes, sir.
can I write 2 lambda but this is equal to what?
1.
0.
Hey, 0.
Sir, 1, sir.
1, sir.
1.
1, sir.
Sir, a plus b plus c equal to 0, sir.
Who said a plus b plus d 0? Am I given any cheap formula?
So that's why we are equating, no, sir.
Sir, Shashank, in the question, check the question.
Question is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1.
No, sir. In the intermediate step, sir. Equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation
So
3.
the equations we have labeled as A, B, C, they are equal to 0.
Acha. This is equal to 0. I tell you. Okay,
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear, sir. Thank
Yes.
you. The whole equation is equal to 0.
Ah, yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now this fellow is equal to what?
1.
1.
1, sir. 1, sir.
Now this, what you will take? Tell me.
24xyz plus 2 lambda is equal to 0.
Lambda equals to minus 2.
That is equal
Clear?
to minus 12
Yes, sir.
xyz.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then are you agreeing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Or lambda is equal to
Minus 2
Minus
by
12
z.
xyz.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once if I reach here, again I will go back to my first equation. First equation is what? 8yz 2 lambda x by a square. Are you agree or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I will substitute my lambda value.
All right, sir. All right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Then
Now-
we will get x.
From one, wait. Up to here, clear?
Done, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub off this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now come on, from 1, 8yz plus 2 into, what is my lambda, tell me?
So
Minus 12
lambda
x
will
y z.
minus 12 x.
minus 12 xyz.
Minus
12
xyz.
into x.
So already this x by a square is there.
Yes, sir.
X by a square.
Then this yz is, oh, sorry, take that side, okay. Is equal to 0, you know.
Yes, sir.
Now take that side, what you will get actually? 8yz is equal to 24 x square yz by a square. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes,
confusing?
sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
This yz can I cancel?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
This 8 will go 3 times.
Yes, sir.
Now, from this what I will try?
X square is equals to a square by 3.
1 is equal to what? X square by a square. X square by
Sir,
a
3
square.
is square. 3 is, yes.
Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
From this x square is equal to what?
A square
A
by
square by 3.
Now x is equal to what? Plus or minus,
by-
you take minus not allowed because this is the length. So,
yes, sir. A by root 3.
la, 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 la. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then similarly, again same story. Substitute in second equation, substitute in third equation. Then similarly, just I'm skipping the steps. So y is equal to what?
B by root 3.
Z is equal to
C by root.
C by root 3.
B. Yeah.
C.
C,
C,
C.
C, sir. C for
C,
cat.
C for cat.
Yes, sir. Cat.
Yeah, meow. So Z is equal to what?
C by root.
C by root 3.
Right. Clear or not? Now x is in your hand, y in your hand, z in your hand. My volume is what? 8x, y, z. 8 into a by root 3, b by root 3 into c by root 3. So 8 abc 3 root 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ah. Now my question is, suppose instead of, if I give the answer, suppose it's sphere means what you will take, condition, tell me.
Sir?
Suppose instead of ellipse, I am giving in your hand sphere, one solid sphere.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the equation?
X square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square.
Okay, r or a square. Okay, yeah. R square,
R square.
r square. Clear? Now suppose instead of r, okay, according to your logic, r is correct. Just I am removing instead of r. Can I put a?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ladies, I am calling pet name. I am given a instead of r. I am calling a. What is the problem? Your r is equal to my a.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now my equation is what? Tell me.
X square plus y square plus z square is equal to a square.
A square. Now slowly can tell what is the x value.
X is a square by 3. A by root 3.
Y value.
B by root 3.
Hey, no B.
A by root 3.
A by root 3.
Z value.
Okay, sir.
A by root
A
3.
by
A by root 3. Okay, sir. Okay.
Now from this what you understand? X is equal to a by root 3, y is equal to a by root 3, z is equal to root 3. Means that
X
solid
equal to
is
y.
what? What is that solid?
Cube.
Sphere.
Cuboid.
Cube. Sir. Cube.
Cuboid.
Right.
Cuboid.
Okay. Cuboid, whatever maybe. The next question is same thing only. If the largest rectangular volume inscribed in a sphere, prove that it is a cuboid. Over. LKG problem. Clear or not? From back side I am coming.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All
Any
right.
problem?
No, sir.
But keep in mind and play the game. What is this inside? What is first try to see? Whatever may be subject, first read question properly. What are the given? What I want to use tools, what formulas, what I want to find out. These all are, if you at least skilled in a problem, you can first find out whether you are master or not. That is the next issue. Clearly can understand. These formulas are my hand. This I want to do. I want to find out. Whether you are able to do our next issue. If you are skilled in, if you prepare means what you become master in maths. Read problem peacefully. One by one steps you can prepare in your mind. Okay, this is given. This is I want to find out. This is small f. This is small g. I want to find this. Finally, I will get x, y, z. Over. This finding x, y, z, you have to do exercise. No way. But at least you can prepare skeleton first. Correct? Wait. Class over. Again, next one class is there for me. Class over.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Class
Yes,
over.
sir.
Oh, you are very bad.
Yes, yes, I do.
Again, you have
11:35
another
is
class.
the time.
I have another class. Okay. What is the first number? Which I am taking 3. Number is first number starting.
Sir, all are present
17.
today, sir.
270.
All are present, sir. All are present, sir.
Except Aruneshwar.
Except
Aruneshwar, sir.
So he left the college.
he left the car, but there is no number. You know, all are present. Really?
Yes.
Can I text you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Happy Diwali.
Thank you, sir. Happy Diwali.
Thank you, sir. Happy Diwali, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Happy Diwali.
Bye, sir.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Sir. Choose.
Celebrate safe Deepavali. Stay safe.
Yes, sir.
Bye.